So I have a really quick craft project I'm going to do. I want to turn this, and this shipping tape roll medicine containers into a pencil holder. So I'm going to do it really fast. I wanted to show you guys how it can, once it's done, how it can be used just to decorate. But I'm going to do it really fast and show you guys how just to recycle, reuse, repurpose things you already have. So I'll leave this out here. I'm going to first glue these to this. I'm going to put the top on in a moment, so that will be glued to it also. Let me put another glue stick in. So already it's glued to this. Now I'm going to glue the top part to the bottom. Now I have a seam in both, so the seam is right here, and then the seam for this one is right here. So I'm going to match the seams together. And so how I'm going to do the top is I'm going to glue the bottom, and then I'm going to glue the containers. So I'm going to glue this, and then I'm going to glue this again to make sure it sticks. Now I got glue on it, so I'm going to let it cool and then it will stick. And let me just make sure I wasn't cut off so that I know I can't do this again. Okay.